Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. Welcome you all in English class. In previous video, we have discussed the topic adverbs and their kinds. We knew that adverbs are words that tell us more about verb, adjective and adverb in a sentence. In today's video, we will discuss a new topic and the name of our topic is preposition. So, let's start our discussion. Prepositions are words that express a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another part of the sentence. And the prepositions are on, in, by, with, over, under, across. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के पहले प्लेस किए जाते हैं और अदर वर्ड से रिलेशन बताने के काम आते हैं या बताने का काम करते हैं उन्हें हम प्रीपोजिशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Kirti is fond of coffee. The tortoise jumped into the river. Mohan was blessed with a son. Subhash was absent from the class. The word of shows the relation between fond and coffee. The word into shows the relation between jumped and river, which shows the relation between blessed and son. From shows the relation between absent and the class. In each sentence, the word in bold is placed before a noun or a pronoun and is showing its relation to the another word in the sentence. To understand preposition more clearly, see some more examples. My mother is going to market. Asha is dusting near the door. Rohan writes with a pen. The book is for me. The cow is under the roof. In these sentences, the words to, near, with, for and under have been placed before a noun or pronoun and are showing their relations to the other word, noun or pronoun in the sentences. These words are prepositions. Prepositions are also used to tell the position of a noun or a pronoun. प्रीपोजिशन किसी भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन की पोजीशन को बताने का काम करते हैं. मीन्स कोई नाउन या प्रोनाउन कहां पर है ये प्रीपोजिशन बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कैट इज सिटिंग अंडर द टेबल. द काइट इज फ्लाइंग अबव द स्काई. द पेन इज इन द बॉक्स. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द वर्ड अंडर इज टेलिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द कैट, दैट द कैट इज under the table. In the second sentence, the word above is telling the position of the kite. And in the third sentence, the word in is telling the position of the pen. So, these words under, above, in are our prepositions. Let's practice a small exercise to clear your doubts. Complete the sentences with suitable preposition from the brackets. In this exercise, we have to choose most suitable preposition to complete the sentences. So, let's start. We will travel through Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh to reach Delhi. Thrisar is near the Cochin International Airport. The files are on the top shelf. He put his hands into the pocket. Sonia climbed up the ladder. The kitten sat under the table. There is some milk in the fridge. The cow jumped over the fence. In this way, you have to choose the most suitable preposition and complete the sentences. My dear student, I hope you have understood the prepositions well. Now, I am going to end this video. Again, we will meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.